how to download and install Taskade app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I will guide you on how you can download and install the Taskade app. Now let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store in your mobile phone, then tap on the search at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the search box at the top of your screen. Now search here for the Taskade app. Once you've searched for the Taskade app, choose the original app you want to download. Now click on Install. Once the app is successfully installed on your mobile device, tap on Open. Here, you can sign up or log in to the Taskade app. This is how you can download and install the Taskade app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.